It's not time to make change. Just relax and take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Just find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I'm old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to become when you found something going on. But take your time and think a lot. Why think of everything you've got? For you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may